Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the secrets of high earners. What do they know that the average person doesn't? We'll be looking at a system that some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs are using to completely revolutionize their business and their life. We're talking about OnPassive. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another day, another online business opportunity, right? But trust me, this is different. Stay tuned because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what OnPassive is, how it works, and why so many high earners are going to use it to absolutely crush it in their businesses. You won't want to miss this. But before we dive in, please take a moment and subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Let's be honest, time is the one thing you can't make more of. It's more valuable than money because you can't get it back. That's why successful people are obsessed with automation. OnPassive offers AI tools to automate essential tasks, freeing up your time for strategy and growth. Imagine a system handling your email marketing, generating social media content, and providing customer support all on autopilot. Focus on scaling your business and doing what you love. OnPassive's tools are always improving. Start thinking about automation today. Okay, let's talk about how OnPassive actually works. At its core, OnPassive is powered by artificial intelligence. And not just any AI, we're talking about cutting-edge technology that is designed to understand your business and your customers on a deeper level. This AI works behind the scenes 24/7 to optimize your marketing campaigns, identify new leads, and personalize the customer experience. OnPassive's AI identifies your ideal customers with laser-like precision. This means you're only putting your message in front of people who are actually interested in what you have to offer, which leads to higher conversion rates and a much better return on your investment. OnPassive's AI also analyzes your customer data to identify patterns and trends. Imagine knowing what your customers want before they even do. That's the power of OnPassive's AI. Chapter 3. They said it couldn't be done. Real people, real results with OnPassive. Now, I know what you're thinking. Does it actually work in the real world? The answer is a resounding yes. OnPassive will help countless entrepreneurs achieve incredible success. For example, Sarah, a single mom, intends to build a thriving online business using OnPassive's tools. Once she is established and earning a good income, she will quit her job, spend more time with her kids, and achieve the financial freedom she has always dreamed about. Or John, who in a short period of time could double his business using OnPassive's AI-powered tools. Chapter 4. Stop throwing money away. The OnPassive approach to cost-effective business growth. Let's face it, starting and running a business can be expensive. From marketing and advertising to software subscriptions and employee salaries, the costs can quickly add up. But what if there was a way to get all the tools and resources you need to grow your business at a fraction of the cost? That's the beauty of OnPassive. Unlike other business solutions that nickel and dime you for every little feature, OnPassive offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services for one low monthly price. Think about how much you currently spend on individual marketing tools, software subscriptions, and other business expenses. Now imagine getting all of that for one low monthly price with OnPassive. From reducing wasted ad spend to automating time-consuming tasks, OnPassive helps you get the most out of every dollar you invest in your business. Chapter 5. The future is here. How OnPassive is positioning you for long-term success. In the ever-evolving world of business, it's not enough to simply keep up. You need to be ahead of the curve, and that's exactly what OnPassive allows you to do. With its focus on cutting-edge AI technology and its commitment to constant innovation, OnPassive is positioning itself as the leader in the future of online business. OnPassive's AI-powered platform allows businesses to deliver hyper-personalized experiences at scale, which gives them a significant advantage in the marketplace. They're also building a global community of entrepreneurs who are passionate about helping each other succeed. So if you're looking for a business solution that can help you achieve your goals today, while also positioning you for long-term success in the future, OnPassive is the answer. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We've only just scratched the surface of what OnPassive can do. If you're ready to learn more about how OnPassive can help you achieve your business goals, check out the information in the description below. Let us know in the comments what you think about OnPassive and if you have any questions. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a great day.